Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is Delaya from thedelayab.com, and I'm a fashion designer who wants to help you create lasting impacts through personalizing your style. My channel is about fashion design, style, and self, so if any of that touches your soul, go on and hit that subscribe button right now. Last week we touched on the importance of having a comfortable style, why it's important to feel comfortable in your clothes. This week, we're going to talk about the 3 F's you need to give in order to be comfortable in your personal style. Yep, 3 F's. I did it. No shame. The problem is when we go shopping, a lot of the times we're only buying things because we look good in it, or it's because you're trying to fit the trend, not necessarily because you're comfortable in it or it feels like you. Or on the other hand, you keep it so basic that comfort is the only thing you're getting out of your wardrobe. Like you're putting on leggings, you're putting on t-shirts, and that's it. You can take it a step further. You just have to know how to shop, what to look for when you're shopping in order to be comfortable. So that's what we're going to talk about today. So here's the 3 F's you need to give in order to make your style comfortable. So the first F that we're giving while shopping is fabric. Fabric is key when it comes to being comfortable. So when I'm talking fabric, I'm talking more than just how soft or how plushy something is. Yes, sometimes that can matter, like if you're looking for a sweater or a hoodie, maybe, like you want the softness and the hug-like feelings, but it's not always about that when it comes to fabric. So the first thing I do is I feel it, if it's soft, if it's rough, if I'll feel good in it, maybe it's too thin or too thick. Like I feel the shirts, I feel the pants. Does it feel like a good quality? Does it feel like it's gonna rip very easily? Does it feel like when I wash it, it's gonna be hard and scratchy? These are things I look for just off the hanger. Then I will look at the content of fabric, that is what the fabric is made out of. It could be cotton, polyester, nylon, spandex, other things. This is bad. I should know all this. So basically what the garment is made out of, because that's gonna affect how comfortable it is. Cotton is, I think, the most comfortable fabric. Soft, it absorbs your moisture, so when your body does its low-key sweating, the cotton will absorb it and then cool you off a little bit. Whereas polyester is not that forgiving. Polyester is not absorbent. So when your body low-key sweat, it's going to continue to low-key sweat, and your body's going to warm up and you're going to high-key sweat. Yeah. So it's just things like that that I pay attention to. So if I'm looking at something long sleeve and it's polyester, I'm probably not going to buy it because I will just be completely uncomfortable. Whereas if it's a t-shirt or something and it's a polyester blend, meaning part cotton, part polyester, that's a good look because you have the absorbency of cotton, but you also have the strength of polyester. The second F you need to give is fit. Fit is very important. It's how something looks on you, how it works with your body specifically. Garments and clothing are mass produced. They are a generic, general sizing. So that's why you want to try things on to see if it fits your body type, to make sure that you get the most bang for your buck, that you look good in what you're wearing. So fit is mainly about representing yourself to the best of your ability. You want to make sure you look good, everything is balanced. Do you know what balanced is? Do you know how to balance an outfit? If you want to learn how to balance your outfits, let me know in the comments and write balance. Anyway, you want to make sure your fit is balanced, that everything is put together where it is supposed to be, to make sure that you remain comfortable, that you feel good in what you're wearing. If you're uncomfortable and it doesn't fit right, you will be distracted. You'll be pulling at things all day, shifting and fidgeting. You won't be 100% yourself. That's why fit is crucial. You want to make sure that it fits your lifestyle. Like whatever you're doing, whether you're ripping and running, or you're staying at a desk, or you're in the office environment, or you're active, or whatever, what have you. You want to make sure that the fit of the garment, whatever it is, fits your lifestyle. And the third F to give is favorites. To have a comfortable style, it's good to wear anything that you consider a favorite. Whether it's a favorite t-shirt, a favorite article of clothing like shoes. I love earrings, I love lipstick. So when I want to be comfortable, when I want to feel the most relaxed or in my element, I try and put at least one of these things on. I always put on shoes. I try and be intentional about putting at least one of these things on. It's not happenstance. It's not me rushing out the house and throwing something on. I am deliberately choosing this color. I am deliberately choosing a shoe to set off the whole outfit. You get a sense of pride. You get a sense of power. You get a sense of you. And that's honestly what's most important about style, is you feeling like you. And wearing your favorite will just make you so comfortable, so relaxed, and just so in your element. Like, man. So there you have it. Those are the 3 F's you need to give in order to have a comfortable style, to be comfortable in your clothes. Let me know in the comments if you agree with any of these. Would you say fabric, fit, or your favorites are good keys to having comfortable style? If not, let me know why or why not in the comments. If any of this resonated with you, go on and hit that subscribe button, because there will be more types of videos like this. I want to ask you if there's any kind of content that you want to see regarding your personal style or fashion or anything. If there's any questions you have, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below, and I will answer them in a video or in the comments or whatever, what have you. I want this channel to be for you. I want to help you create a lasting impact. So let me know in the comments if there's anything you want to know more about. Until next time, guys. Bye.